Welcome, innovative entrepreneurs and forward-thinking business minds. Today, let's dive into a vital element of your pitch deck, the go-to-market (GTM) strategy. This presentation component is your chance to show investors how you plan to launch your product into the market and achieve success. Let's show you how to present your GTM strategy effectively. Firstly, clearly define your target market. It's crucial to identify who your customers are with specific details like demographics, psychographics, and behavior patterns. This clarity shows you know who you're to and why they need your product. Ensure your value proposition aligns with your target market. Illustrate how your product meets the needs and desires of your target audience. This demonstrates a deep understanding of your customers and how your product fits into their lives. Detail your distribution channels. Explain how you will deliver your product to your customers, whether it's through direct sales, partners, online platforms, physical stores, or a combination of these. Outline your marketing and sales strategies. How do you plan to generate awareness, attract leads, and convert them into customers? This part of your strategy should detail your promotions, advertising, sales tactics, and customer engagement plans. Include key metrics and milestones. What are the specific goals and timelines for your market entry and expansion? This gives investors a clear view of your growth trajectory and the milestones you aim to achieve. Highlight what sets you apart from the competition. Discuss how your GTM strategy differentiates you from others in the market and what unique tactics or channels you will use. Discuss your budget and resource allocation. Provide an overview of how much funding you need for your GTM strategy and how you plan to allocate these resources. This showcases your planning skills and understanding of resource management. Lastly, acknowledge potential risks and outline contingency plans. Every market entry strategy has its risks. Showing you have considered these and plans to address them demonstrates foresight and preparedness. Remember, your GTM strategy slide is not just about outlining a plan, it's about conveying your strategic approach to capturing the market. It's an opportunity to its investors that you have a clear, well-thought-out path to bring your product to the customers and succeed in the market. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. How do you approach developing and presenting your GTM strategy to ensure it resonates with investors and sets you up for market success? Share your thoughts in comments below and stay tuned for more pitch deck tips and tricks.